Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change password on Hotspot Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To change the password on Hotspot on your Android device, follow these steps. So firstly, go to Settings app on your Android device. Then go to Connections, tap on it. Then find the mobile hotspot untethering. Tap on it. Go to mobile hotspot and tap on your password. And here, choose your preferred password by typing. And once you are finished typing the password, just tap on Save to save the changes. And that's how to change password on Hotspot Android. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.